In this video, I'm going to quickly walk you through 5 male body type diagrams and explain their gun placement in relation to their body's natural concealment sweet spot. By the end of this video, you should have a better idea for where you might find your body's concealment sweet spot. This model is a tall male with a large frame carrying a Glock 19 with an extended magazine on an Enigma Express. His torso shape has peaks at 230, 12, and 1030 with valleys in between. His concealment sweet spot is at 1 o'clock with his rear sight above his navel and above the equator of his stomach. His concealment percentage estimate is between 35 and 40%. This model is a tall and slender male carrying a SIG P365XL in an Enigma Express. His torso shape has a very slight peak at 12 o'clock with shallow valleys on either side. His concealment sweet spot is between 12:30 and 1 o'clock with his rear sight in line with his navel. His concealment percentage estimate is between 40 and 45%. This model is a shorter male with a Y-shaped build that is broad at the shoulders and narrows to the waist. His torso has a peak at 12 o'clock that tapers to his hip bones. Here, he is carrying a SIG P365 with a red dot slightly low with the beaver tail in line with his navel. His concealment percentage estimate is between 40 and 45%. This model is an average height male carrying a SIG P365XL with an extended magazine. He has a very slight peak at 12 o'clock with small gradual valleys on either side. His concealment sweet spot is between 12:30 and 1:30. He's able to use the small peak that he has at 12 o'clock to act as a slide side wedge, which offers him more grip tuck. His concealment percentage estimate is between 48 and 55%. Finally, this model is an average height male with a lean frame carrying a SIG P365XL. Although not all lean body types lack peaks, his particular body type does not have any obvious peaks or valleys to take advantage of. As a result, he's positioned the gun at 12:30, bias off just slightly to his strong side, and is carrying the grip just above his waistband, but below his navel. His concealment percentage estimate is between 45 and 50%. Finding your body's concealment sweet spot is just the first step in dialing in great concealment. Once you found yours, you'll want to move on to the poke and check method in order to reduce any existing printing, which we have an entire video on that right here, and that'll walk you through the whole process of using the poke and check method to really get things dialed in and good to go. Hopefully this video helped you get a better idea for where your body's concealment sweet spot is. If you'd like to go back through these images, you can follow the link down in the description where you'll find the written version of this video, including the visuals.